Hi, this is Brijesh Dalmia, and today we will look upon one very interesting calculator, recover your EMIs through SIP. I will give you a demo. Thank you all for joining in. Let's start. So this is the homepage of MasterStroke. So you go to membership, you go to client proposals. First of all, I have to log in. I will log in here, and now you have to go to premium calculator section. This is the latest calculator we have added, and I will also showcase you this later on. Let's do this. So काफी क्लाइंट आपके कहते हैं कि उनके पास होम लोन है या लेना चाहते हैं, and then you can give them a fantastic proposal that you can get back the entire money that you have paid in EMI if you add one SIP also. So there are two scenarios in this. I will first give you about scenario one where you know the loan details. Let's say the client has taken a 75 lakh rupees loan on a house and interest rate is 7%. And the tenure of the loan is 20 years. And then you say, give a projection that SIP investment can give you 12% return. You can add the name of the client here. I will pick up a dummy client. And you can, of course, add any SIP investment scheme. So let's say you do a TSP equity opportunities fund, just for the sake of showing you. You click calculate, and the report is available. This is the quality of MasterStroke that आप click करते हैं और report available होती है. Say yes in the chat box if you agree with this. And this is the beautiful report you get. EMI versus SIP planning for your client. Loan amount 75 lakhs rupees, 20 years, 7%, and the monthly EMI comes to 58,000. So you can tell the client that you will make a payment of 1 crore 39 lakhs over 20 years. And if you just increase your monthly outflow from 58,000 to 73,000 by adding a 15,000 rupees SIP with you, this 15,000 rupees SIP will recover the entire amount of 1 crore 39 lakh rupees which they pay for their house. So after 20 years, their house is free virtually. And this is a very good selling proposition, you know. It's a very good selling proposition. It connects with the client that he's not paying any interest, he's not paying any EMI, he is just investing. And if you do SIP of 15,000, which is 26% addition of your EMI amount, you will recover the full amount of EMI paid by you. And this is the disclosure. And this is the scheme you suggest to the client that you can increase your SIP investment in this particular scheme. Let me know, how do you like this proposal? Let me see how many people like this. Great. Okay, so I will give you one more calculator option in this. So this was option number one. And you can do any permutation combination. You can increase this amount, you can increase the rate of interest, you can increase the assured return on investment. Now let's look into inter EMI details. So many of your clients may have existing home loans. This is for new home loan. This is for existing home loan. Let's say again, take the example of monthly EMI. Let's say 1 lakh rupees is the monthly EMI. Tenure again, let's say, is 20 years. SIP return on investment 12%. Client name, again, you can put dummy client. I will not do add suggested scheme because we have already done that, and calculate. Very simple. 3 data you enter. Virtually in 5 seconds, you can get to this page. In front of the client, in your iPad, in your mobile phone, or in your web version Chrome. So the total repayment this client is making is 2 crores 40 lakh rupees. In order to get back 2 crore 40 lakh rupees, client को 26,000 रुपए की EMI बढ़ानी होगी. यानी 1 लाख रुपए का EMI की जगह उसे 1,26,000 का साल महीने का आउटफ्लो करना पड़ेगा और उसके 2 करोड़ 40 लाख वापस आ जाएंगे. Now friends, this is very powerful. See, what is the power of these calculators at MasterStroke? Is that पूरे साल में आपके पास अगर हाउस लोन और EMI से रिलेटेड 2 क्लाइंट का भी फोन आता है क्या करना चाहिए और आप उनको प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं, तो आपका एक एंगेजमेंट होता है. Maybe as a member of Masterstroke, Premium Masterstroke, this calculator you will use only 10 times during the year, or 5 times, or 2 times. Even if you use one calculator once every year, you are done. You are very good. You have recovered the price as well as 10 times the value from Masterstroke. And again, you can save this report. You can download this report, print this report, and this is calculator which we have recently added. So I hope you like this, and I will stop the recording here. So this is the first calculator I wanted to showcase you. Now I will continue with the second calculator. If you have missed out in the last week's presentation, which I made, was the other calculator, and I will take all your questions. I will answer all your questions in a while. Portfolio projection report. इसमें हमने 2 इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, 2 सिनेरियोस दिए हैं. ये बहुत पावरफुल कैलकुलेटर है. मेरे ख्याल से आपको इस कैलकुलेटर, अभी हमने इसको सारे लोगों के लिए अवेलेबल बनाया है, बट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दिस विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन प्रीमियम कैलकुलेटर. बहुत टाइम, एनर्जी और कॉस्ट जाता है इन सब चीजों को बनाने में हमारा. गिव मी अ मोमेंट. हेलो. Sorry for this one urgent call. So let's say client का existing portfolio, let's say 15 lakh rupees. Let's say normal client का छोटा portfolio. Client every year 1 lakh rupees fresh investment करते हैं. Okay, maybe zero also. Or every year this client is making investment of 15,000 rupees SIP. This is a very unique client. और क्लाइंट के पोर्टफोलियो में 10% की एवरेज रिटर्न एक्सपेक्टेड है over the next 20 years. You can tell the client that if you continue with me, your current investment of 15 lakh rupees with 1 lakh annual investment and 15,000 SIP will become 2,72 lakh rupees in 20 years. So पहला एडवांटेज इस कैलकुलेटर का ये है कि क्लाइंट को आप एक विजिबिलिटी देते हैं in the future. For example, you also try to calculate from trail calculator of Masterstroke how much your AUM will become after 10 years and 20 years. What is the commission you will earn in the next 20 years? And it gives you encouragement, and you become happy, and you get, you want to continue in this profession. In the same way, when you give this kind of calculation to the client कि आपका इतना portfolio है और अगले 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल में इतना portfolio आपका बन जाएगा, year wise आप उसको ये चार्ट बना के देते हैं, तो एक confidence आता है client को. कहते हैं ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Whatever is seen, people buy it. People don't buy just like that. They want to see the things. And this calculator shows you that in 20 years you can make 2,72 lakh rupees. This is part one. Do you like it? Let me know. Now I will give you a brilliant calculator, which is current plus incremental investment. And you should use this calculator more. Current plus incremental. This is the beauty of this particular calculator that we have made. Let's say the same client, you go to the same client and say, Mr. Dummy client, आपका 15 लाख का पोर्टफोलियो है, आप 1 लाख रुपया साल का इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं लमसम में, एंड ये हमारा थोड़ा टेक्स्ट का एरर है, इसको मैं ठीक कर दूंगा. इंक्रीमेंटल इन एसआईपी, लेट अस से, सॉरी, इंक्रीमेंटल इन लमसम. लेट अस से आप लमसम में कोई इंक्रीमेंटल नहीं करेंगे, 0, और लेट से मैं यहाँ पे 1 लाख और भर देता हूँ, बिकॉज हमारे कैलकुलेटर में एक थोड़ा सा बग है, यहाँ पे 0 लेने से कैलकुलेट नहीं हो रहा है, कल तक ठीक हो जाएगा वो. करंट एसआईपी आपकी 15,000 है, और मैं आपको रिकमेंड करता हूँ कि आप 15,000 की एसआईपी और बढ़ा दीजिए. सिंपल. दिस इज, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस, यू इंक्रीज दिस एसआईपी अमाउंट, एंड दैट इज व्हाई हम इसकी प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं कि आपकी एसआईपी बुक डबल हो सकती है. अब आप इस रिपोर्ट को क्लिक कीजिए. पिछले रिपोर्ट में 2,72,00,000 रुपए का पोर्टफोलियो बना था. इस स्कीम, इस कैलकुलेटर में सेम क्लाइंट का सेम पोर्टफोलियो 4,44,00,000 हो जाता है. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. You have to tell that Mr. So and so, आपकी current portfolio with the current speed and investment will become 2,72,00,000 rupees. This is the current scenario which we showed you. But if you increase your annual investment by 1 lakh lump sum every year, and you top up your SIP by 15,000 more, your portfolio can become 4 crore 44 lakh rupees, which is almost 2 crores more. Now, जब आप क्लाइंट को कहते हैं कि 20 साल में 2 करोड़ का पोर्टफोलियो आपका बढ़ सकता है, तो क्लाइंट 10-15 हजार की एसआईपी बढ़ा देगा, 5,000 की बढ़ा देगा, 10,000 की बढ़ा देगा, अभी नहीं तो 6 महीने बाद बढ़ा देगा, बिकॉज जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. This is brilliant. This calculator will help you doubling your SIP, and this is the cash flow. And then you can suggest suggested schemes में कौन सी स्कीम में आपको एडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट करने चाहिए. ब्यूटीफुल रिपोर्ट है ये. अब मैं समझता हूँ कि आप सबको डेली बेसिस पे इस रिपोर्ट को यूज करना चाहिए. इस तरह की इतनी सुंदर रिपोर्ट बनती है यहाँ पे. और ये जब आप करंट सिनेरियो और इंक्रीमेंटल सिनेरियो देते हैं ना क्लाइंट को, तो क्लाइंट को पूरा पूरी यहाँ दिखता है कि कौन से कि एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट उनका इतना है और फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट उनका इतना हो जाएगा अगर उन्होंने थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ा दिया तो. इसको नज बोलते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू नज द क्लाइंट, द valuation of the portfolio will go up and your AUM will go up. So these are the two reports I wanted to show you. I want to have your opinion now in the chat box. What do you think about this? Very useful, excellent, super. What is the period of the cycle? Is it the same as the loan tenure? Yes. Currently, that is what we have done. I think we can improvise upon this. Let me note it down. We can also give you an option that limited period SIP. This is the power of our users. They give us new ideas. Limited period SIP in SIP EMI. In future, we can do this. What else can we do here? Can you please help on the suggested schemes for these proposals? Of course, yes, Nanda. You can choose any mutual fund scheme for which you want to make an investment. I don't want to tell you now, but since you have asked, in the next few quarters, 3 to 6 months, we are also coming out with suggested schemes for new mutual fund distributor, which scheme you should select and offer it to your client. We will give you suggestions at Masterstroke. Eldo just joined now. How to access the recording? I'm a member. You can go to Masterstroke YouTube channel. I will try and show you. Let me open it. Give me a moment. I'm trying to open YouTube channel and I will show you from where you can access Masterstroke. Okay, here it is. Okay, I will show you.